Hi friends, a very good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I changed, my look is completely kind of different. I call this a sunshine vibe. Check out my chumkas. This I got it from that Nepali vendor lady. When did I get this? August last year. I have worn them only twice. This is the third time since August. So I've got so many earrings, like so many of them. And my bindi, I have done a combination of it. So check this out. And what lipstick am I using? I cleaned up the brown leggings. Never go matching. And my beautiful bangles. Check out my. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the Lakme Cushion Matte lipstick. Okay. This is CR3, which is almost in. This is called red wine. Okay. This is a shade of red and brown and all that, which they apparently sent it as a replacement for a product which I barely used of theirs. This is costing I think around 300 rupees. 299. This is costing 299. And generally my upper end lipsticks whichever are there, I keep them in the cover so they remain more safer. I'll show you. This is the shade and it's absolutely beautiful. I remember using Lakme some 3 years ago, but it was not as smooth as this. You can see this color. Remember I had made a mixture of all those colors, plum, maroon, brown, and I had got exactly this kind of a shade. आणि ते सोलार प्रॉन केव्हा येतात माहिती आहे? हां हां तो काढायला इझी आहे. हां तो कसं काढतात माहिती आहे काय? वरची हे काढलं ना, काढली ना, टूथपिक घ्यायची. टूथपिक घेऊन पोटाच्या मध्ये ना म्हणजे. Can you see this? It's such an amazing color. And you remember I had blended the same color. You guys remember? It's a mixture of all my leftover lipsticks and I had got exactly the same shade. And whenever you're using yellow, because I'll tell you how you all should be, this is my sense of fashion. Is when you're using bright colors, your lipstick should be a little more toned down because everything looks very gaudy. Now you should not be like a Christmas tree. I hope you understand. Now you've seen my bangles, right? They are multicolored. Okay. So it's vibing very well with my outfit. And if you can see this, it is like a black gold kind of a combination. It is not matching. You should not match your outfits. Then you look like a small kid going to a school or something. It should color coordinate. Your color coordination should be there. Everything should look put together. See, look at this. If you are color coordinating with your outfit, then the styling becomes 10 times more better. Never be like, how do I put it? You know, people want to look perfect all the time. There has to be a slight imperfection. So when you're doing imperfection, your styling will be much better. Now if this is actually this is my mom's kurta and she was very unhappy with it. She was always unhappy and she knew that yellow was my favorite color and yellow looks good on me. So I remember uske relatives had gone somewhere in the north and they bought some very cheap whatever outfits from there. and so she grabbed this one, and there was a pink one which looked very much better, and pink is her favorite color. So she grabbed this one, and that pink I took it for myself, and that pink was far more better. And all her outfits, see, look, this is from north, so this was like this. Okay.
Take care. Yeah. चला एक महीना
So then you can see this how it is.
नॉर्मली तसं आहे. एक महिन्याचं लास्टला येस. नाही तू उद्यापासून पाऊस चालू होणार. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे सगळी वादळं येणार आहे. हा उद्या.
So you know how it is, right?
24-25.
20.
मला काय घ्यायचं नाही का उद्या बाहेर आली तर बाहेर निघायला होणार.
Basically, if you can see the outfit, it is not that great. In fact, the way it was stitched was also not great. I'm using this for the first time. This is from Kullu Manali side, something of that design. So when I put this put together, it is really, really good. So what we'll do is that we'll take a walk because there's a lot of conversation happening. So we'll do some grass walking right now. Check this out. Can you see this? Can you see my अच्छा, सुबह सुबह आपका ये रूटीन है लगता है. ये क्या है? बेल है?
बेल नहीं, ये क्या है इसको बोलते हैं?
हाँ.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
ये
उम्बर बोलते हैं इसको.
अच्छा, तो ये ऐसे ही मतलब क्या इसका क्या मतलब?
इसका भाजी करके खाते.
ओह, अच्छा बनता है?
पता नहीं.
पहली बार?
हाँ.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये कच्चा है ना.
कच्चा.
इसका फ्लावर है क्या? फूल बनता है?
नहीं, कभी देखा नहीं उसका.
अच्छा, सब्जी बना रहे हो. यहाँ पे ऐसे उगता है क्या?
हाँ.
Wow, it's looking really nice. Considering it's not a very great outfit, it is just an outfit like this. Looks nice. There was this person who was talking loudly because I'm very upset with him at the moment. Very upset. I hate men who cannot stand for their conviction. You better take your own responsibility. You don't pass the parcel on me and put it on my head. We women are these idiots. If any man behaves like a wimp or a gay, you please put them in their place. The men need to take their responsibility. See this. Nice. Look at this glass. Cool. Take a picture of this. Chalo. Can I keep walking? This is Nana Nani Park, everybody knows, and today is Thursday morning. You know how it is. Right, na? Cool? Let's go a little bit walking. I don't have all the strength to keep walking. Here we are back on our benches. चलो enough for today. बहुत हो गया. ताकत नहीं है. Why? Okay, I'll be posting some pictures and I'm very happy. I'm so damn happy. You know, the very reason is that when I was doing so much mehnat, I did not get any result for it. Dhadadhad mehnat, so much of results. And now I'm more relaxed. I'm just sitting here. For one, I think for past 15 days I have not like regularly posted or whatever. And even when I used to come here, I used to chit chat with people. But today I just wanted to just concentrate on my look. I think I'll go to that flower and let's see, जो भी है. Okay, I'll be updating you all on something really happening. Okay, now I'll tell you all what I did. Okay, before I just wind up the session, I had one small victory. I had, I had this kind of coffee at 7-Eleven, and it was not so great. It was not about the coffee, it was about the overall thing. So I sent a mail to their international headquarters. Now that people sent, okay, I did a follow up. They were following up with me, I was following. Then they asked me which country. I said India, and I said India, and then said and then they forwarded the mail to the India thing, the Reliance people, and you know how Indian customer services undo. फिर भी they took a lot of time, and I was doing a lot of follow-ups. And then when I did follow-ups, yes, you know how they came in place, because their headquarters in New York or wherever it was sending them emails, and then they contacted me. I said क्या मुझे इंडिया में बात करने के लिए अभी फॉरेन कंट्री के लोगों के साथ बात करनी होगी, तो फॉरेन कंट्री के लोग मेरे इंडिया के लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे, and then they will contact me. How strange is that? How strange, isn't it? And then yesterday I had a meeting with their operations. They wanted my feedback. मैंने बोला जो तुम लोग का स्टोर है ना, उनके ओनर को भी मैं जानती हूँ. Literally. Okay, chalo, I'll wind up. But it's a small victory. I'm not saying that, see, we should not be nagging and complaining, but I'm just saying कि how we Indians are. हमें कोई दूसरा तीसरा आके बोलना चाहिए क्या कुछ चीज़ें? नहीं ना. We can stand on our 2 feet. Why should those people contact me? Why can't you all contact me? तुम लोग तो यहीं इंडिया बॉम्बे में हो ना, तो you all want some foreign का person to send your email to contact me, and I'm just opposite your house. क्या stupid लगता है ये. This is how our Indian system works, and it's very frustrating. Anyway, बहुत मस्का वस्का लगा रहे थे. मैंने बोला फीडबैक देने के लिए, मैंने बोला दिल खोल के अच्छा खासा फीडबैक दिया. सी आई सेड आई हैव नो इश्यूज, बट कम्युनिकेट बहंडी, कम्युनिकेट. Just send me, just if they're like we try to I said no, I have 2 phones. You can contact me anytime. Okay, don't give me this reason that you cannot contact me. I'm very much reachable. Oh, 12 minutes. I'm not saying that we should be nagging all the time, but when people don't communicate, na, that's the time it is very frustrating. I said, क्या बिगड़ता है? Both the calls are there. You send me an SMS. And I said, sometimes back to back, both my phones are busy. Sometimes I'm speaking on somebody on one phone. That means my other phone is there. If that is not ringing, I'll get back to you. कुछ तो करो. तो वैसे. Take care of yourselves. Bye.